Nowadays, plastic pollution is a huge problem, not only for our environment, but also those in the oceans, since 40% of plastic ends everywhere harming the environment and those living in the water. Let's start with plastic straws. Alternative solutions have been paper straws, metal straws, and glass straws. But paper straws usually leave a pulp taste when using and made by cutting trees, harming our nature and environment. Metal straws, washing again and again, wasting water, and not easy to carry everywhere. Glass straws can break easily and harm to anyone carrying it, and very expensive. Our straws are made 100% from plants, very durable and the most viable alternative to replace plastic, and have been used in medicine industry for years, and most importantly does not harm our environment or any animals on land or water, and very cost effective. GSP straws are 100% biodegradable, made up of 100% renewable source and 100% made in USA. Our exclusive commitment is to buy back all our used GSP straws and provide percentage discount on new straws to all our clients. We are challenging everyday user to give our straws a try and help reduce plastic one day at a time and reduce the carbon footprint on our environment. We can only accomplish this mission with support from you, since you want to sell this product at cost to get everyone to start using it today.